Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. In this session, we'll be learning about attribute functions. First one is remove attr function. Using this function, we can remove attribute from a selected element. To do so, we have to use remove attr function followed by name of the attribute which we want to remove in double quotes. Next in the list is has class. Has class function is used to check if a particular element has a particular class or not. To check the class, we have to use has class function followed by name of the class in brackets. Next in the list is add class. If we want to add class to an element, we can use this function. To use this function, we have to pass the name of class in add class method. We have to make sure that the class we are passing here is predefined in CSS. Next is remove class. Suppose we want to remove a class from an element, so we can use remove class method on that selector and pass the name of the class in double quotes inside the brackets. Using this function, we can remove the class from that element. Next is toggle class. Using toggle class, we can add class and remove class, but it works like if a class is present to an element, it will remove the class, but if it is not present in that element, it will add the class. So toggle class adds the class if not present and it removes the class if it is present. That was all about attribute functions. Let's see all this in action in practical.
In this HTML document, we have h1 tag which contains attribute functions as heading. We have an anchor tag containing href attribute with tutorialspoint.com link, target as _blank and class as link mod, and some text. We have a paragraph which says click me to toggle class. We have a script tag containing our CDN from code.jquery.com. We have another script tag which contains our JQuery. We have written $A which selects this anchor, and we are using remove attribute method, remove attr method to remove target attribute. Let's see how it works. So when I refresh this and when I click this link, it should open in the same tab. So we see that tutorialspoint.com opens in the same tab because we removed target attribute. The next thing we are doing, we are using console.log to log dollar followed by a dot has class link mod. Has class checks if link mod class is present in our element or not. So this should return true, but has class link node should return false. Let's see the output. So we got true in first case and false in a second case because link mod class is present here and link node class is not. Next thing is we are using remove class. We are using remove class method to remove link mod class from this anchor tag. Let's see how it works. This should remove link mod class. When I refresh this, when I go to elements and I go to anchor, we can see class as empty. We cannot see anything inside this class. So link mod class has been removed. Now when I comment out this add class method and we are using add class to add link node class, and I refresh this page, we can see that I've got link node here which is added to this class. So here we can see add class has worked and link node class has been added to anchor element. Now we have finally $p.click function. When I will click this paragraph, I will be able to toggle link node class. Toggle class will check if the class is present in the element, it will remove it, and if the class is not present, then it will add the class. Let's check. When I click this, I can see the class was emptied, link node class was removed. Now when I click this again, we can see that link node class has been added again. So this is how it works. This is how toggle class works. So that's all about attribute functions. Thank you.